Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on your Hulu account. To change password on Hulu, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser of your preference. Now go ahead and type in hulu.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're signed into your Hulu account. After you're inside the main homepage of Hulu, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. This will now open up the Manage Your Account page. Click on this Manage with My Disney option right where it shows you your password and email. And then go to the Password tab and click on the pencil icon. Now go ahead and verify your email by entering the email verification link to you via your email inbox. Now go ahead and enter your email verification. Go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox where you'll receive an email from Hulu. Open up the email from Hulu and then copy the code that you received. After you copy the 6-digit verification code, get back to the Hulu tab and enter it in the text boxes and click Continue. Now, enter a new password for your account by typing it down in the text box. Finally, click on Save and Continue in order to change your Hulu account's password. And that is how you will be able to change your password for Hulu in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.